this right
Go.
now.
Good to go.
Face this way. Jessica, don't quit. You're chewing it.
You're a trooper, Haley.
Jessica's a hard ass.
Oh my god!
Get it.
Do you want me to hold your hair while you chew?
Please. Holy shit!
45 seconds.
You have to swallow it. It's not just keeping it in
Yeah,
your
you have to
mouth.
swallow it. If you're gonna... Yeah. Then you can't be president.
Why don't you drink the glasses of water we poured for you?
I'm not doing that. I hate you. No.
It's like two girls fighting over the sink to puke in. Creating you puking?
Stop it!
Justin, come hold your girlfriend's hair.
Stop it! Why is it sticking now? Ew!
Karina, you doing okay?
Oh, she's
She
fine.
pooped?
She's pushing it around in her mouth.
Yeah.
Oh. I should have done that.
We're all initiated.
Yay!
How Aaron has to be initiated.